Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Enchanted Fungus in Last War. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, in order to get it, you want to click onto your headquarters and then click onto the paintbrush, which is default or base skins. And now if I go ahead and click onto Enchanted Fungus, also known as Mushroom Skin. Now in order to get this, so you need to be early in the new war zone. So during the first few weeks of a freshly created server, you can unlock the Enchanted Fungus skin by spending approximately £300 or local currency equivalent, or you can get it later on via a glittering market. After that initial period, the skin typically becomes available again in the glittering market, a monthly high value shop event, and is priced for about £150. Now, there are some benefits of this Enchanted Fungus skin. So it's going to give you a damage boost in PvE. So equipping this skin, it grants a 5% damage increase against monsters, PvE battles. Even holding it stocks yields a 1% PvE damage boost. And it is a PvE focused perk. So as players know, its benefit is narrowly focused on PvE. So evaluate whether that aligns with your gameplay priority.